We are part of the geomagnetism group of CIRES, which is a partnership between NOAA and University of Colorado at Boulder. Our primary focus is to develop numerical models of the geomagnetic field of the Earth.
The Earth's magnetic field actually varies every day, every hour and every single minute because of electric currents in the near-Earth environment. The Sun is sending particles and radiations towards the Earth, and these particles and this radiation have a strong impact on the electrical currents that flow.
This magnetic field has been used since ancient times to navigate ships, and in modern times all kinds of things like aircraft and submarines. And it's almost impossible to predict quite far in out, and so we need to keep updating this model to keep pace with this movement of the Earth's magnetic field.
We have the World Magnetic Model, which we calculate every 5 years.
World Magnetic Model is a large-scale representation of Earth's magnetic field.
The first step of building a geomagnetic field model is to actually collect data. So for this we rely on a lot of data sets, data that are provided by the worldwide network of magnetic observatories. And this is the first time we have such a detailed coverage of the Earth's magnetic field by satellites, providing measurements at such a high accuracy.
One advantage of magnetometer is that one vector magnetic measurement under deep ocean can provide both the amplitude and the direction of tsunami waves, whereas we need multiple bottom pressure sensors to do that.
The idea of tsunami detection is to actually try to detect those very small magnetic fields that are generated by a tsunami propagating near an instrument detecting the Earth's magnetic field.
CrowdMag is primarily derived from our work with the industry on World Magnetic Model. That drew our attention to these tiny digital compasses in the smartphones, which are not as precise as the science quality magnetometers, but there are so many numbers of them.
That provide measurements of the Earth's magnetic field, and the idea behind CrowdMag was to actually compensate the lack of accuracy with the sheer number of smartphones that exist all over the world.
It is very important that the magnetic field models we create here are as accurate as possible so that it can improve the navigation ability of so many people around the world.
The World Magnetic Model is embedded into hundreds of millions, perhaps a billion of smartphones. And this is, of course, something that we find very cool because it really brings our scientific work to a very large public.
The products and we use or create here being used in everyday life of so many people around the globe, and that's a very satisfying thing for us.